Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Dana here. Today I will be making a fall themed card. Totally my time of the year. I love when the weather starts cooling down. Just finished watching the first NFL game of the season. In a great mood right now. So I figured I would do a voiceover for a video for y'all. To start off the card, I took a piece of paper that I had gel printed with distress paints, and I just cut that down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And for the embellishments of the card, I'll be using the Autumn Leaves press plates and die set from Spellbinders. And this very old bottle of Crackle Accents. Love this stuff. But if you don't have it, the Distress Translucent Crackle Paste will do a similar thing. With those two items and some distress inks, I created this leaf for the front of the card. I just colored it with my distress inks and then put the Crackle Accents over the top of it and let it dry overnight. I will be using a craft card base for this card, so I'm just reinforcing my score line with my Teflon bone folder. Can't say that again. Teflon bone folder. There we go. If y'all don't have one of these, highly recommend it. Didn't think I needed one, got one, love it, never going back. I'm going to go ahead and glue that card panel onto the card base with my Barely Arts liquid glue. When I have a dimensional card planned out, I like to go ahead and glue the card front on the card base before I start assembling the card. That way it's just easier to actually get the card put together. For the sentiment of this card, I'm going to be using a Little Message Sentiments press plate and die set, also from Spellbinders. This is just plain white cardstock. When I'm using a scrap like this, what I'll do is I will put the press plate on the platform and then put the cardstock over the top of it without any ink. And then with 2 pieces of tape on the clear plate, I'll just go ahead, line it up, and then mush it on there. Technical term there. Mush it on there, and then that way the cardstock sticks to the clear plate and I don't have to worry about it being weird or anything when it lines up. And then I'll go ahead and add the ink to it and run it through the machine. And using my antique linen distress ink, I'm going to go ahead and add a little color to that sentiment to tie it into the base. I had these skeleton leaves in my stash, so of course I had to use those. I absolutely love skeleton leaves. So I'm just putting those behind the maple leaf that I created. And I'm just fanning those out till I like it. And then I'll hold them together with my reverse tweezers and go ahead and glue those on the card base with my Barely Arts liquid glue. Then I decided I wanted to add a little dimension to the sentiment. So I just cut out a couple blank pieces and then I'm just stacking those together using my liquid glue. And I'll go ahead and attach that to the card. If you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button, show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you're liking my content, please consider subscribing. I do still have that goal to hit 500 subscribers. I'm getting there, so close. Here's the final card. I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Like I said, this is totally my time of year. Love this time of year. I have a lot more BetterPress videos for you, so stay tuned. And I'll see you all in the next one.